Hello everybody, this is Jhilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video I'm going to show you the original lip stain, and that is from Valra Cosmetics. This is how the packaging looks. It comes in a set of 6 shades, and these are lip stains. So there is a unique way how you have to apply it on your lips and how it will perform. So it's very different from your normal lipsticks and lip glosses. So today I'll be showing you how to do it, and also I'll show you all the shades that I have received inside this kit. So let me tell you what they have to say about the lip stains. So it's a no smudge lip stain from Valra Cosmetics. After you apply it, it will stay for a long time. It will not get smudged. They have 6 shades: Coral Pink, Perfect Plum, Red Velvet, Scarlet Red, Soft Pink, and Wild Rose. Individually, they have mentioned the ingredients in each of these shades that they have got. Let me tell you what they have mentioned about the application. Apply liberally to lip area. Do not press your lips together to apply it evenly like lipstick. This will cause it to get on your teeth, and we like your white teeth. Use a lip brush instead. Allow to dry completely for about 10 minutes. Peel off top layer starting from the corner of the lips. Use with clear lip gloss to add shine. So that's what is mentioned about the application of this lip tints. I have already tried and tested them. 2 of the colors are remaining, and I'll show you in front of the camera how to apply the lip glosses properly. Now, as per my experience goes, I didn't check the instructions properly before applying the first two lip shades, and obviously I pressed my lips and my teeth got stained, so it was not a very good sight altogether. And also I noticed that some of the shades had a tendency to get into the fine lines because these are stains. You know, it appeared more stained on particular areas on my lips, and again it was not a very pleasant sight. With the lighter lip shades, the ones with a little bit of pink or coral in them, those shades perform better than the deeper shades, which I thought would be better for my complexion, but those perform better on my lips. Because I have a lot of fine lines on my lips, so maybe that was the thing. If you have smoother lips, it won't be the case like that. So yes, this was my experience on the application. Now about the stain part, yes, again I did some mistake for the first 2 applications, and I was so eager to see. I did not wait for a long time to get for these shades to get dried on the lips as had been mentioned, and I started pulling it, and it was not a perfect application, I would say. So you have to be patient for to get the color settled on your lips properly, and you have to wait with patience so that the entire color gets dried up. They last for a very long time. They have a little bit of transfer when if you are having coffee or if you are having food afterwards. After applying this, a little bit transfers. Usually it has a very good lasting power. It is a bit drying, so it's better that you hydrate your lips. Don't moisturize it, keep it dry, but hydrate it. It won't have cracks. So yes, that is the thing. That are the precautions that you have to take into mind before applying this lip stain. So now I will show you how to apply the lip stain. The shade I choose now is the Wild Rose. This is the one. So this is the shade indicator. So all the lip stains have shade indicators like that. And when you are applying the lip stain from the tube, it will be of a completely different shade, and when you pull it off, the shade that you get is similar to this one. This is how it looks once you open it. I'll take a lip brush. Look at the shade. It's so different. It's like, it's red. I have applied it. It looks so glossy, so vibrant, but believe me, this will not be the case once you remove it, once it dries up and you peel it off. The color will be very pleasant. I'm sure about that, because the shade indicator shows that it will be somewhat pinkish. So yes, I have applied it, and I had made sure that I have not pressed my lips. So I will come back after 10 minutes. So yeah, see ya. So I'm back after 10 minutes, and this has got dried. So let's peel it off. I think it's a very pretty shade. This is the kind of shade I love the most. It's look at the transformation. It was deep coral kind of shade, very vibrant. When I peeled it off, it came as a beautiful fuchsia shade. It feels a bit dry, but I am fine because it's not that drying also. It's mentioned that you can apply a lip gloss on top, but I love my lipsticks to be matte. I don't like glossy lips, so I will keep it just like that. This is all about the Valra Cosmetics No Smudge Lip Stains. It comes in a set of 6 beautiful shades. The link where you can buy these lipsticks will be given in the description box below. Please go ahead and check. Hope you have found this video helpful. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.
Use the discount code VALRALUV17 at valracosmetics.com to get a 15% flat discount on your purchase.